Hello everybody. Hey, here's my latest Tree of Life. And everybody who's coming into the studio is saying, oh, Gustav Klimt. And it's driving me a bit bonkers, so I thought I'd set the record straight. Behind me are my Marini Millefiori, and in the V&A, in the glass department, there are Marini bowls dating back to 2500 BC, 4,500 years ago, right? And also we know mosaics go back millennia. I mean, the gold in mosaics goes back at least to Ravenna, which is early 5th century. And what happens was Klimt went to Ravenna in 1900 and he loved the Millefiori that he saw there, and he started incorporating it in his paintings, notably in Salome. So in 1900 he submitted Salome into the Venice Biennale. They liked it, they bought it. It's still in the Cappadora in Venice. Go and see it if you like. Anyway, I hope that set the record straight as far as this is indebted to Klimt is concerned. If not, I've written an accompanying verse which I hope puts the final nail in the coffin, and it goes like this. The cheeky tree of birds. Come and take a look at this tree of birds. It's really hard to describe in words. The gold makes it look like Gustav Klimt. Well, it did for a moment, until I blinked.